What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kinong Shnong kalapangap hapo West Giant Hills District kiai beteng banya kendu ya kajing habaya day bat karep karyang namar kinong Shnong Karbi jong kata apat hapo West Karbi Anglong District kila beteng biang ban pentut ya ki marsinyo I bakila sedang ya kajing ot kebalum haki lingka jongki kajing ot kebalum da kinong Shnong lapangap kala sedang hani kakat kendai trik nailur ha kabal kumbasan pungut AA kinong Karbi kelas siat da kijiri siat sim ya kinong Shnong lapangam ki badan kumbalai pungut bat kambun na kilong kemi kat bakidang ot kebalum kita kinong Shnong lapangam kila petno na katika jaka kenang banlait na kano kuno kajing mansau bat kila pentip ru syagi bor penyak Shnong halor katika jingja kinong alam Shnong haringkat ki pulit Meghalaya kila let hiar bran sya katika jaka kenang ban ai jingiada Jylla kinong Shnong habaya keren bat wahek Shnong jogador bar Shnong lapangap uma daimon miling do ulay thu bagi Karbi kelas sedang ban pentut ikinong Shnong namar balas sedang kapor ot keba bat upen paru yang kajing syap tiang bakum kini jingja kinang yajia ha kini singi banwan wahek Shnong ulay thu bamenta kidantang arpongut ki pulit Meghalaya hapo Shnong bat kumta ula dawa ya kasorkar ban pak syu ki pulit syalapangap kenang ban ajing ada yaki ha kapor ot keba
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.